Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. It is 10 o'clock here on this Thursday evening. I want to bring you up to date as to what we're going to be seeing here over the next 24 to 48 hours. Right now, it's very quiet outside, okay? You'll notice here on the local radar that really the Commonwealth is quiet. We have nothing worse than partly cloudy skies. Frankly, most of us are fair, but focus your attention towards West Virginia. That is where we have a little line of some isolated showers and a couple of embedded thunderstorms. Notice as these move to the east, they tend to kind of just fall apart. However, these cells that are approaching Pocahontas County are strong enough where I think they may hold together just enough to bring the chance for a few showers here overnight into Highland and Bath counties. So the Highlands will have the best chance for just a little bit of rain here as we head into tonight. Let's show you the actual storm system itself, and it's taking up a lot of real estate. It really extends from southern New Jersey all the way west into Missouri, Oklahoma, and Texas. This is where we could still have the chance for some stronger thunderstorms as we head into tonight, and eventually that threat will move a little further east as we head into the day tomorrow. Now we've got a low pressure system and an associated warm front and an associated cold front with this next storm system. So again, our chance for some rain here will go up over the next about 24 to 36 hours. You need to know that the threat for severe weather tonight will extend from the southern plains to the Midwest. So really along the Ohio River Valley all the way towards the U.S.-Mexico border close to El Paso. Now on Friday, that severe weather threat moves to the east, and it's a larger threat tomorrow than it will be for tonight, out across the deep south and also along the Tennessee River Valley. So places like Baton Rouge, Shreveport, Jackson, Little Rock, Memphis, areas in and around Birmingham, Nashville will have a chance for some severe weather as we head into Friday. And really everything is on the table, from wind and hail to heavy rain, thunder and lightning, to even the potential for some tornadoes. But again, that stays well south and west of us. Now for us tomorrow, we will have the chance for a little bit of rain pushing in. Let's show you that here on Future Tracker. Trend again will be for maybe a stray shower or two to make it towards the highlands here as we head into tonight. But again, a lot of that activity as it moves to the east does really weaken quite a bit, at least for now. Notice though at 7 a.m. Friday, the best chance for maybe a couple of showers will be north of Interstate 64 into Highland and Bath counties. There'll be some heavier downpours just north of us into areas say near Winchester. As we continue to go through time, this is about noon on Friday, and at that point in time, the best chance for some isolated showers and maybe a stray storm will be along and west of the Parkway. So northern parts of the NRV, also portions of the Highlands will have the best chance for rain around lunchtime tomorrow. As we go towards dinner time tomorrow, looks like the best chance for a little bit of rain will be in areas along and north of Highway 460. You'll notice a band of rain getting closer to us by tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, and that may bring the chance for a little more rain towards the Highlands as we head into tomorrow evening. All right, so as we look at Friday night going into Saturday morning, may get a little lull in the energy before the main event comes in, and that's the actual cold front itself. Pushes in Saturday morning. 6 a.m. may have a couple of showers along our border counties with West Virginia, but the heaviest of the rain for us on Saturday will come between about 8 a.m. and about 11 a.m. Okay, so we're going to have about a 3-hour window where we're going to pick up on some heavier rain and maybe even the chance for a couple of thunderstorms Saturday morning. That's when the most widespread rain will be pushing in with this piece of energy we're watching. Yes, tomorrow, isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible, okay? Doesn't look like the coverage area tomorrow is very large. The coverage area by Saturday morning is much, much larger, okay? So Saturday morning is your wettest part of the weekend. The rain, I think, will be with us from 6 a.m. through about maybe 1 p.m., but the heaviest of the rain will be with us from roughly 8 a.m. through about 11 a.m. Notice as we head, say, towards 2 o'clock, the rain exits. We start to see some clearing, especially out west. May have one more little band of energy pushing in with some wraparound moisture, bringing a stray shower or thunderstorm into our westernmost areas as we head late Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. So that kind of times out everything for you. Tomorrow, the best chance for some hit or miss thunder showers will be in the Highlands. The lowest chance for rain tomorrow, Friday, will be south side. Then everybody likely gets wet as we head Saturday morning. All right, as far as how much rain we see here Friday and Saturday, the numbers aren't that large. I would say anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to about 1/2 an inch of rain before all is said and done. We could have slightly higher totals in some areas. There might be a couple of areas that get over 3/4 of an inch, especially the further north you go. There might be areas that's a little bit less than 1/10 of an inch. But for the most part, it's 1/10 of an inch to about 1/2 an inch of rain headed our way. It's 10:05 and these are your temperatures. It's balmy outside. 60 in Wytheville, 71 Roanoke and Lynchburg, not to mention South Boston, 69 Danville, also in Lexington. It's 60 as we speak in Hot Springs. Let's go zone by zone for tomorrow and talk about high temperatures. It's going to be another warm one everywhere. Every zone is well above average tomorrow, about 15 to 20 degrees above average. NRV 77, Highlands 76, Roanoke 81, Lynchburg 80, might get as warm as 84, 85 degrees across South Side. So again, where you're going to be driest tomorrow, that's where we're going to be the warmest. The South Side locations will probably see the most sunshine, hence you're going to be the warmest. Where we could see the most amount of rain tomorrow, the Highlands, that's where you're going to be likely at your coolest. All right, let's talk about feeling like spring outside. Yeah, we hit 80 today in some areas. 80s in March. The last time that has happened prior to today was back in 2020. So this March has been pretty cool up until now. Now we're making up for lost time and we hit 80 or above in a couple of our backyards today. The last time we did that was in March of 2020. Some of us, frankly, most of us east of the Parkway tomorrow, going to be in the 80s again before we start to cool down this weekend into next week. As I told you, though, temperatures about 15 to 20 degrees above average as we head into Friday, but focus your attention north and west. That's where you're seeing some blue showing up, an indicator of some cooler air. So behind this front, we're not going to be nearly as warm this weekend, and temperatures will continue to plummet as we head into early to middle parts of the next work week. Jet stream takes a dip to the south. Cooler air comes in from the northwest. Temperatures Tuesday and Wednesday of next week will fail in many, not all, but in many of our backyards to get out of the 50s. Okay, so temperatures today near 80, temperatures tomorrow anywhere from 76 to 85. Temperatures as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, mainly in the 50s. Jet stream takes a dip to the south. Cooler air comes in behind that front. All right, so your forecast for tonight, another very mild night. We're looking at lows 55 to 60 degrees. Whew. That's about where high temperatures should be for this time of year, if you're wondering. For tomorrow, we're going to see partly sunny skies. We're going to see a mix of clouds and sunshine. Going to have that chance for some pop-up hit-or-miss thunder showers as we head into the day tomorrow. High temperatures, as we told you, in the 70s and 80s. So overall, it does look as though temperatures tomorrow going to be way above average. All right, here we go. Your extended forecast showing temperatures going from the lower 80s Friday into the middle 70s Saturday, lower 70s Sunday, middle 60s Monday, upper 50s Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we start to rebound a little bit back into the 60s here by Thursday. We're dry Sunday. We're for the most part dry Monday. We're going to have the chance for a little bit of rain on Tuesday and then again on Thursday of next week. Joining me is my good friend Allie. Allie, are there any questions that I can answer tonight, my friend? No questions. Let me explain what we're doing here. We've been doing these app casts is what we're calling them now. We've been doing them for about, how would you say, maybe the last 2 months or so, Allie? Is that about right? Yeah, about the last 60 days or so. And we do them every Monday night at 10 p.m. and we do them every Friday night at 10 p.m. But tonight's not Monday night, it's not Friday night. Why are we doing one tonight? Well, we kind of just want to give you a little heads up as to what's coming our way here over the next couple of days. So we do these occasionally on Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and Thursday nights as well. Last night we didn't do one, but I think we chose wisely to do one tonight because of some of the weather headed our way here over the next 48 hours or so. Where can you see these appcasts? You can see them on Roku. You can see them on YouTube. You can see them on the news app. You can see them on the weather app. And when it behaves itself, Facebook Live. Is Facebook Live actually working tonight, Allie? Facebook Live is working tonight. The last couple of times we've done these, Facebook Live, we couldn't get it to work. But those are the 5 ways in which you can see these appcasts. Current time is 10:09. We'll be back here for our 11 o'clock newscast in about 50 minutes from now. We do hope to see you then, but if we don't, I hope everybody has a great night, and we will see you again tomorrow night for another Facebook Live as we look ahead and focus on this upcoming weekend. But no, looking ahead to the weekend, right now, Sunday's the pick of the 2 days to be outside. Sunday looks absolutely gorgeous. Have a great night, friends.